This morning, prosecutors may consider a new trial for a police officer who could have been involved in Freddie Gray's death in Baltimore. A jury was unable to reach a unanimous verdict in the trial of William Porter. He is the first of 6 police officers to be tried. Gray died in April after he was severely hurt while in police custody.
Last night, dozens of demonstrators marched peacefully across the city. Police arrested 2 people. Kris Van Cleave is outside Baltimore City Hall as protesters renew their call for justice. Kris, good morning.
Good morning. Freddie Gray's family called for calm after the hung jury was announced, and they got it. After 3 days of deliberations, the jury decided it was unable to come up with a verdict.
No justice!
Minutes after the mistrial was announced,
We need justice for Freddie Gray!
a Baltimore sheriff's deputy stationed outside the courthouse grabbed this teenage demonstrator by his neck and took him down as a crowd of cops rushed over.
We need to open streets like this.
No, we need to open up the justice systems of America!
This protester was also arrested for disorderly conduct.
Show me what democracy looks like.
Everyone on the sidewalk!
Officers from across the state hit the streets to maintain order. City Police Commissioner Kevin Davis.
Protesters who are lawfully assembled have a friend in the Baltimore Police Department. We are here to serve as peacekeepers, quite frankly.
Baltimore police arrested Freddie Gray April 12th for what they called possession of an illegal switchblade. The 25-year-old died a week later from injuries he suffered while riding handcuffed in a police transport van. Officer William Porter was with Gray during 5 of the 6 stops the van made, and Porter did not buckle Gray in, according to prosecutors, ignoring police department guidelines. The diverse jury of 7 blacks and 5 whites deliberated for about 16 hours over 3 days, but told the judge they were hopelessly deadlocked, unable to agree on any of the 4 charges against Porter.
We are not at all upset with them, and neither should the public be upset. They did the best they could.
In September, Baltimore approved a $6.4 million wrongful death settlement for Gray's family. Congressman Elijah Cummings is confident the officer will face another jury.
I have it on good authority that the case will be retried. Justice is about a process, and that process has begun to turn.
Shut it down!
As marchers moved through the streets of downtown, people in Gray's West Baltimore neighborhood linked arms peacefully and vowed to turn away from the violent unrest seen in April.
I hope the world sees that not all places are transparent and Baltimore is not the way it was conveyed.
6 officers have been charged in Gray's death. The mistrial may cause delays in the next officer's trial. That was set to begin January 6th. We do know that lawyers and the judge are set to meet in private today, but so far the prosecutors have not said if they plan to retry Porter. Nora?
All right, Kris, thank you so much.